as we celebrate our 55th anniversary with the theme Beyond Compliance. I hope that theme will truly manifest what we are as public servants. Hindi nga lip service lang. Tani, kung ano man ang ginapasigar mo sa local government unit of Malungon when we speak of the standard of excellence, tani hindi lang ta maayo sa salita, kundi maayo punta sa gawa. Kaya ang mga pulo nga atong ginabunga, hindi na pwede nga lip service lamang. Kinahanglan reflective kita sa kung ano ang aton na ginahambal. Sa pila ng katuig na nagupod kita, nabatian na ni sa iba ng mga trabahante sa akong nabakbak. Ano hambal ko before? Kung hindi man kita makahatag sa solusyon sa problema sa palibot, at least hindi kita naghatag sa problema. When I heard you in this institution, I expect that you will contribute in nation building. I expect that you will be my arm in extending service delivery. And not just standard service, but excellent service to the community. Dili unta ta mamati lang. Glihot ta. Let's always practice what we preach. Let's do what we say. May pipila ng mga empleyado din. Kada wala akong nalipay tungod sa batasan. Ginadawat natin kaya may aragit man kita iba't ibang batasan. Ginadawat natin bilang tao wala man gid sa perpekto. Pero balikon ko, pag may aras sa isa nga bulong ng prutas, madamay ang mga preskong prutas sa isa ka basket. Kaya kita tanan magtinabangay. Hindi useless na ginasyagit ni Mayor Bongbong Constantino nga unity and cooperation. Magtinabangay kita. Hindi ninyo pabungol-bungulan ang mga mensahe na aton pirmi mabatian. We want everybody to grow. And we want to give service beyond compliance to the people that we love. And as Christians, even to those that we don't. Kaya arin man kita din. And as much as I say this, as much as I remind everybody to do this, bisan ako, kay tao lamang, ginadawat ko man sa sarili ko na hindi ako perfecto. But every day is a new day. Magtinabangay kita. Hindi man kita perfect, pero at least may aras sa mga tao na ato na palipay tungod kay nahatagan natin sa palipayon na servisyo. As we celebrate the 55th founding anniversary of Malungon, with all the tarpaulins lining up, recognizing all our efforts, that will serve as a reminder of what we are as an institution. Kung ginakilala kita sa nagkalailain na ahensya na may aras sa mga amunigi, maayo ng mga programa, that will serve as an inspiration to us all. I hope before I went here, I prayed, Lord, make me an example. Help me be an inspiration to my fellow public servants. In my personal life, I may not be perfect, but as public servant, I want to be an example. As a leader, I say always to the management and to all of you whom I treat as family. If this preparation succeeds, and we will have, as I declare, we will have an excellent foundation anniversary celebration, it is not me. It will never be about me. It is because all of us has been united, has been cooperative all throughout the years. Sa tanan nga success, sa sininga LGU, inatungod sa aton pag-urunupon. And with that, maraming salamat po. To God be all the glory.